E-learning has become an important part of education, especially here in the Philippines. But did you know that psychological statistics play a key role in making it better? Let me explain.
First, let's talk about accessibility. In the Philippines, not every student has access to stable internet. Psychological statistics reveal which areas are most affected. Programs like DepEd's Digital Rise use this data to provide offline solutions, like printed modules or offline learning hubs. This ensures no one is left behind, even in remote areas.
Second, e-learning platforms like Google or Zoom rely on statistics to improve. For example, feedback from users help them add features like breakout rooms for group activities or tools that make virtual classrooms easier to navigate. These upgrades are based on what actually works for students and teachers.
So while it might just seem like a number, psychological statistics are the backbone of making e-learning inclusive, accessible, and effective for everyone. And next, we're going to talk about educational technology in the field of psychology, particularly its connection to psychological statistics. So, what is educational technology? It refers to the use of digital tools and platforms to enhance learning and teaching. These include online learning systems, apps, and even data-driven tools that help track students' progress. Popular platforms like Google Meet, Google Classroom, and Canva are widely used for online teaching and learning. These tools collect data that can be statistically analyzed to improve educational outcomes.
Educational technology plays a huge role in collecting and analyzing data to improve education. For example, platforms like Google Classroom provide detailed analytics on student participation, assignment, completion rates, and quiz performance. Google Meet, often used for virtual classes, tracks attendance and engagement levels, which can be studied to optimize teaching methods. Canva supports interactive learning by enabling the creation of visually appealing educational materials, while its usage statistics can reflect student preferences and learning styles.
Statistics serves as the backbone of educational psychology, allowing professionals to measure, evaluate, and refine learning interventions. In Philippine schools, statistical analysis is crucial for understanding student behaviors, assessing their performance, and identifying challenges. In summary, educational technology doesn't just make learning convenient. It uses psychological statistics to personalize education, making it more effective for every student.
In summary, educational technology is a perfect example of how psychology and technology work hand in hand to improve education. By effectively applying statistics, educational psychology continues to evolve, ensuring that every student's potential is maximized in an ever-changing academic landscape.
Let's now proceed to the next example, which is the item analysis. It is administered after a test to a group of students to evaluate the quality and effectiveness of test items in an assessment tool like examination.
For instance, assessing the item difficulty. With the use of statistics, instructors will be able to measure how easy or hard that item is. It is calculated as the proportion of respondents who answer the item correctly.
To elaborate, consider a scenario where a multiple choice question with wrong answers or distractors If no one picks a certain wrong answer, it's not doing its job. Good distractors should sound believable enough to trick students who don't know the right answer. Item analysis help us figure out which wrong answers are actually fooling people and which ones are just silly. This helps us make better tests.
By analyzing these statistical measures, teachers can determine whether the question is good one, needs to be made more challenging, or needs to have its distractors improved.
In short, item analysis uses statistical tools to assess the quality of test items and their effectiveness in measuring knowledge or skills. By understanding how each item performs, instructors can revise items to improve the overall reliability and validity of the test.